Yeah, so we're out here. This might be our 4th or 5th, but we're back-to-back champs. We're going for a 3-peat. Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is our 4th
ready to go.
July tournament. Wait again. 2, 3, start. Let's do it and do it again.
What happened?
That shit look hard?
It was good, huh?
Oh, that's my boys just pulled up right now.
So my boy, how you doing?
Nah, finally.
Well, whipping it out today, right?
I know, I thought you sold it online.
Nah.
The Pete Soda exclusive. It's a good field, huh?
It's cool.
I like playing it.
Hey, I was expecting some like Arizona style. You know what I'm saying?
I'm working on the grass, Dick.
Bro, we're in LA.
Arizona style.
This is
like,
the best.
you showed up at 7, stared poking holes for us. Like,
Hey, Ivan, you better take
Come on,
that hat
coach.
off, fool.
Oh, you're Ivan with
Hey, Julie, you better take that hat off. I got a short hat for you.
Freaking Rome's all like, is it Julian or Ivan? He's like, I was like, Julian. He's like, okay, Ivan.
Hey, Dweezy, where you going, fool? You better check in, fool. Palabra, dog.
He's just here to
Walking with Starbucks and not bringing the whole team for him? That's crazy, fool.
damn. My matcha.
Fool got no bread.
That's wild.
That's
Damn.
crazy.
He just missed.
Okay. Good tournament this year. Going for the 3-peat. You guys know that already. Back-to-back champs. These guys are pretty solid. They play the game really clean. Put the ball in play. They will make mistakes though. Same shit as we do with the Tribe and everybody else. Our next game, 4 p.m. later. That's another good team. We honestly have 3 good teams lined up, so we got to play our best. 2-1, it might get us in that top bracket. 3-0 for sure. 1-2, we might as well just enjoy our weekend. All right, guys, have a good one.
Call that shit, Rome.
Come on, coach, on you, coach.
Repeat on 3. No, I'm just kidding. Sharks on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Sharks.
Woo!
Chomp them up.
Nothing said. Got the dub. What was it? 6-4? 6-4 on to game 2 at 4 o'clock. Little break.
Hey, Grandma, that one was for you.
Motherfucker. It's because the camera's on me, bro. I can't. Like, do it. Lucky's for the win. Right in the nut.
Yeah, my swing feels great. Good morning.
Yesterday, 2 good games. This team, they're not the best. They are sneaky though. That's all I can really say. They will hit the ball. They will put it in play. Bonda's on the bump. Where's he at? Bonda's on the bump. As far as lineup, I'm hitting 12 right now. If you're not hitting right now, so what? I'm gonna bat everybody today, no matter what. All right. So for the guys that are starting, get your 2 at bats, enjoy them. But most likely that's it. And then I'm rotating. All right. Everybody's gonna play. Everybody's gonna have a good day. And after that, we're gonna go celebrate at my house or wherever you guys want to go. All right. Let's do it.
Oh my God. A little louder now. Call it.
Benji, call it. Sharks on 3. Sharks on me. 1, 2, 3. Sharks.
All right, game 3. Sharks versus Banda's cousins, Zacatecas. If we score, if they don't score any runs, we'll be the 1 seed. But if they score a couple runs, it's like hit or miss if we'll be the 1 seed. We want the bye, obviously, to go straight to the championship. We don't want to play 2 games tomorrow. We just want to play 1. But yeah, we're out here. Banda on the mound, Julian catching. Can't find my glove. Starting off bad already.
Get some down legs!
boys. I mean, it's obviously kind of quiet right now, but I mean, luckily 6 teams make it. We'll be in the top 6. Obviously, we wanted a first round bye, but it's a tough one to swallow. Bass just didn't come alive today. A couple of miscues, but we'll bounce back in the bracket play. Well, we got the bite that I wanted, but we're the 4th seed. Found my glove. That's why we lost yesterday, but we found it. Vibes are back on. Good vibes. Playing the Venice Marlins. Played against them a couple times. All right, but you never know with championships. So we got Chavo on the mound, our ace. Yeah, let's get right after it.
Hey, here at GWS, right in OC. Top in, all right? Hey, we put a big old shark logo on your whip.
Starting 9. Chris, you're leading off. Montoya, you're hitting 2. Vic, you're hitting 3. Mooney, you're hitting 4. Mark 5. Sir 6. Ben 7. Adam 8. Germ 9. And then Ozzy, you're rounding out at 10, and that's it. These guys are a little sneaky. They can be good. They can be ass. Depending how you play them, it's up to you guys. It's exactly like the Zacatecas.
$500 off for next tournament.
Is it actually wrong?
What?
$500 off?
Come on, bro.
Yeah,
Sharks on 3. 1, 2, 3. Sharks! Go to guys. Garbage time, home run.
this shit out. They suck dick at these. Let's just check this shit out.
Can't even describe it. Can't even describe it. Rome!
It wasn't like the top bracket and shit, but we still had a fucking great tournament. We still did really good. 3-1 is fucking perfect. If I could set up the fucking Sharks versus Tribe winner take all game, I would, but that's not how it works. Drew got one at bat all tournament and wore it off the The ball has a dent.
We have Chav on the mound. I like our chances. You know, right off the gate, back-to-back strikeouts. You know, that's how you want to start a championship game. Started off slow, as always, and then kind of took charge. Tempers flared a little bit. You know, that's a championship game. You know, that's everybody wants it. But you know, champs, back to back to back. Dodgers can't do that.